2015 Toyota Tundra. 5.7 liter V8 all the way from Ohio. We appreciate them coming down. They're visiting and they said, we got to see exhaust addicts. So they came by and we hooked them up. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. 4 converters. And then it's true dual, but it was way too loud with only these 2 glass packs on it before. So there's the Flowmaster Super 50 right there. Part number 524554. We just installed it for them. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 glass packs. They're probably U-Power or something like that. 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. And then the tailpipes on each side with his black tips out the back. So all that still looked good and everything. So we left it alone and just installed the Super 50. We really appreciate him bringing it in. And stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh, it's a lot quieter. Can barely hear it run. Get the gas? That's a lot quieter. Again? Their biggest concern was drone. So we fixed that, I think, with this. It's nice when you really get on it, but it's quiet when it's not. See how quiet it is at idle? Very quiet. And when you give it gas, it gets up in sound. Again. And you can always go back in if you're still too quiet, take those 2 resonators out. But it's better to keep them in, it cuts the drone. That's what I mean. Yeah. Sounds good. It's clean. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All the way from Ohio. We really appreciate him. And he's a farmer. We love our farmers. God bless them. Keep them safe. There he goes. Very nice. Enjoy, guys.